everyone. In this video, let's try to explore the option date and time column for the transforming the data. Okay, here you can see I have a order date, order time, delivery date and custom column. Okay, order date is give you the date column. Okay, here you can see the data type is date. Okay, then only this option will be enabled for you. Here you can see it's enabled, time and duration are disabled. If you select the time column, order time, the data type is time, then the time option will be enabled for you. Okay, here you can see this is my duration data type. I am changing to duration data type. Then only this duration option will enabled. Okay, so that for date and time column, if you want to use this option, your column need to be in that particular data type. Okay, without any error values. Okay, here you can see I have a order date value with the date data type. Now I can able to explore the options available in this date function. Okay, here you can see age, date only, year, month, quarter, week, day, earliest, latest. These all will help you to find it out the values for your column. For example, if I want to see the start of year in this particular column, click on start of year. Here you can see the 1 Jan 24 is the start of year for this column. Okay, I am removing this step and try to explore the day for this particular date. It's 1. Okay, if you want to see the day name, okay, name of day, that will also able to see Monday, Wednesday. Okay, 1 Jan 24 is Monday, 1 May 24 is Wednesday. Without searching any calendar, you can able to do it here. Likewise for week, week of year, month, start of week, end of week. For day, start of day, end of day. Okay, for month, start of month, days in month. Okay, for example January, it's 31 it giving. Okay, these are all the options. Earliest means this column, what is the earliest date, 1 Jan 24. What is the least date? Okay, order date, what's the latest date? Okay, 1 May 24. Okay, this is how you can use your date to save your time and ease your analysis. Okay, and coming to the order time, time option, here you can see time only, hour, minute, second, earlier time, latest time you can able to find. For example, I need to see the start of hour, it's 10. We don't need minutes. If we want only hours, we can use this option. Okay, if you want a second, you can give the second. Okay, if you want a minute, you can extract that itself in a separate column. Okay, if you want order time as it is, but you want a second in separate column, you can duplicate this column and use this function. Okay, and hour, okay, time only, like that you can able to explore these options here. And coming to the next custom column, I have order date and delivery date. In custom column, I have minused this two columns and create this custom column. Okay, let's name this as a duration. Okay, this is my duration column. Okay, here you can see once select this, it have options to explore in this duration option. For example, click on days, it will give you the extracted days duration. Okay, hours, it's 0. Days, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, separately you can extract all these 4. Okay, total years. Okay, 60 days, what's the total years? Something point. Okay, likewise if you want to multiply this with particular duration, you can give that also. If I want to multiply this value with 2, it will multiply. Okay, likewise divide, statistics, all, sum, minimum, maximum, median, average, all the options are here. This is how you can able to transform your date and time column.